Good morning. This is lesson 26. Materials needed. Their quiet place to work, your English math workbook with module 1, so there should be 1s on the bottom, and your pencil. Please make sure you have all of your materials. Okay, so first we're going to start off with going over what we did in class the last time we were together. So last time we talked about that we could think of math word problems or number bonds in two different ways. We can think of them using addition. We can also think of them as subtraction. So let's practice and do one together. Again, this portion, like we talked about in class, we're just listening right now. This is not in your workbook. So let's see. If I have 4 cookies, and I eat 2 of them, I want to know how many are left. So I can think of this problem in 2 ways. I can think of it as addition or subtraction. So let's begin. I'm going to start by drawing a picture. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am saying 2 cookies were eaten. So I'm going to cross them out like that. How many cookies are left? 1, 2. So this is 2. So we can think of this as 2 plus something we needed to figure out equals 4. Or 4 take away 2 equals 2. Today we are going to practice doing that same thing, adding and subtracting, thinking of addition and subtraction together, but we're going to use a number path. The number path is just another way to help us count. So how we use a number path is we start at one number and we can either hop up or down depending on what number we need to find. Oops, sorry. Let's do an example. Here's our first one. So I'm going to look at it as subtraction first. So our total is 5. So I'm going to go ahead and circle the number 5. And then we need to take away 4. So I need to know what happens when I take away 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop down 4 times. And I'm going to show you. Ready? You start at 5 and you hop 1, 2, 3, 4. And what number did I land on? 1. So 5 take away 4 equals 1. So we can also think of this as addition. So this way I can start at 4 and I need to find out how many hops we need to do to get to 5. So let's see. Hop. How many hops did I do? 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Let's do another. This time we're going to start at 7. And we need to go down 4. So let's see. 7. 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now let's look at it the addition way. We're going to start at 4 and we need to get to 7. So we have to figure out how many more we need to get to 7. So let's see, 4. 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops. Oh, 3 hops. Now, let's open up our math books. And in the top corner, it will have lesson 26. Pause your video to find your math page. Alright, now that you have found your math page, write your name at the top, please. And let's begin. So the directions say use the number path to solve. So that's like just what we practiced in our lesson. Well, we just finished practicing. So number 1. Our subtraction problem is 6 take away 4. So we are going to circle the number 6. And we're going to go down to 4. Okay. So let's see. We have to hop 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's our answer? 2. We hopped 4 times. So that's just like taking it away, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our next number is 2. That's what like our hopping is. 4 hops equals 2. Okay. I'm going to erase. You leave yours. I'm just going to erase so I can show you it with the thinking of this problem as addition. So we're going to start at 4, and we're going to hop up to 6. 1, 2. Hey, wait a minute. I'm noticing something. What do you notice? It's using the same numbers because it's related. If you start with 6 and you take 4 away, then it's 2. But if you have 4 and you add 2 more, then it's 6. Addition and subtraction are related. Let's look at problem number 2. Problem number 2 says 8 subtract 5. So we're going to start at 8. And we're going to do 5 hops. Ready? Put your pencil at 8 and do 5 hops with me. 1 hop, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did we land on? 3. So our answer is 3. 8 minus 5 equals 3. So then what is 5 plus something to equal 8? It's 3. Because if we take 5 away, then we have 3 left over. And so if we have 5 and we add 3, we'll get to 8. I'm going to use another color so you can easily see number 3, okay? But you keep using your pencil. So let's start by reading the equation. 9 minus 6 equals... So we are going to start at 9 So circle 9. And we are going to hop down to 6. So now we have to count how many hops down to 6. Ready? Oops. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're at 6. Stop. How many hops did we do? 3. You're right. We did 3 hops to get down to 6. So now we need to look at the way to think of it as addition. If we start at 6, how do we get to 9? Same thing, 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. All right, let's look at number 4. So I'm just going to read number 4 with you, and then you can do it by yourself. So your problem says 9 minus 3. So here's your hint. You're going to start at 9, and you need to figure out how to take away 3. So go ahead and pause your video and complete problem number 4. Nice work. Now that we finished number 4, let's do the next page. So turn your page in your book. And this page has a different set of, well, very similar set of directions. It says use the number path to help you solve. So again, we're going to use this number path at the top to solve the problems. And these problems go across. Okay? Something that was a little confusing in class is that these problems do go across, not down. Okay, so the first one. 5 take away 4. So we're going to take 4 away. So we're going to start at 5, and we can hop down to 4. How many hops did I do? 1, so 1 is our answer. We can also look at it as addition. 4 plus what equals 5? Well, to get from 4 to 5 is also 1 hop. Do you see how that works? Okay, let's try the next one together. We have 5 take away 1. Okay. So we're going to start at 5, and we're going to go down to 1. 1, stop at 1. Now we need to count how many hops. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 take away 1 is 4. Okay. Now let's look at the addition. 1 plus something equals 5. Well, let's see. How do we get from 1 to 5? 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. All right. So I want you to complete problem 7, 8, and 9. Both sides, okay? So that's the last 3 problems you have. When you're done with those 3 problems, please take a picture of both pages and send to Miss Nicole in your portfolio.